As a highly sensitive person, you have a lot to give. It's not easy, but you are on your way. I'll show you a movement that can give you a lot of strength. And I'll show it to you in 4 steps. I am on the way to the spirit, to myself. Describe a large plane with your arms to the left and right of you. Feel the lightness and mobility in your arms, hands and fingers. Experience how the plane separates back and front, and feel sometimes a little more of the back and sometimes a little bit more of the front. Experience the surface white, almost transparent, and let a delicate red flow into it from your heart, which gently colors it. And experience the ground on which you stand. I am here. Secondly, feel the space around your legs, circling with your arms, hanging down. Flow forward with them. Let them swell up a little into the distance. Come back on the outside and let them flow together again. Flow forward, wave up, flow backwards, flow together. Take your legs along when your arms flow forward. This can also be done backwards. And feel how the subtlety of the plane you have experienced before also lives in your steps. Feel your legs. Thirdly, feel your hands to the heart. Form a shelter with them, a chamber for your inner sanctuary. Turn your hands very carefully, as if you were opening a window in the morning to greet the sunrise. Decide for yourself how far and whether you need curtains so that it doesn't get too bright. Keep the shelter. It's just a window which you open. Now imagine you are a tower. In 7 steps for each level of your high sensitivity, climb 1 floor higher and open a window there. It's small at the bottom, but they get bigger towards the top. Decide for yourself how big and keep your shelter. In your depths, deep down, is the first window. Above it, the second. The third. The fourth may be at the heart level. The next one at the throat. At the forehead. And then you are in your loft, full of light and space. Let go mindfully. Feel your uprightness and the 7 rooms, the light that comes in. You are protected and not blinded anywhere. Feel the white, pink, peach blossom plain. The flow around your abdomen and legs. And walk with it, looking forward. A few steps forward, a little bit backwards to the side. Cross over to the other side. And come back to yourself again. To me. Remember the frontal plane. I, a highly sensitive person, am this wealth on the way. The inner uprightness to the spirit. And then your steps in life to me. What effect does that have on you? How does that feel? High sensitivity is the future of all of us. And the highly sensitive people are preparing it.